As a busy business owner, one of the hardest things to do is making sure you stay on top of your constantly growing to-do list. But unfortunately, sometimes things fall through the cracks, even important ones like keeping track of new leads as they come in. A great solution to this problem is to connect your site's contact forms to your favorite messaging app to let you or the rest of your team know in real time that a new lead has come in. But creating such a connection can sometimes be complicated and involve searching for the right connector service, paying extra fees, and a complicated setup process. Luckily, the Slack add-on by WPForms makes it easy. The Slack add-on allows you to connect your site's forms to your Slack workspace and send out channel messages, direct messages, and more each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. Connecting your site to Slack is incredibly easy. You can do so by clicking on the Add New Account button, signing into your workspace, and you're all set. When inside the form builder, you can add a new connection from a specific form to Slack and select any workspace that is currently connected to your site. You can then choose from any of the available actions to perform. If you choose to send a channel message, you'll be able to specify which one you'd like the message to go to. And if you choose to send a direct message instead, you'll be able to select any user from your workspace. In the message field for either choice, you can write your own custom message and add in any smart tags to include specific data from the form submission. The Slack add-on also allows you to create reminders in your workspace by using the submitted form data. In just minutes, you can quickly and easily connect your site's forms to your favorite business messaging app to make sure you and your team never miss another new lead again. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.